given a velocity of 5 meter per second and allowed to move on a rough horizontal surface find the work done by the frictional force before it comes to rest. As the solution is, as the block moves on the horizontal rough surface, its kinetic energy decreases and ultimately becomes zero. Where does the kinetic energy go? The kinetic energy is converted into heat energy. What is the force responsible for the conversion of this energy? The frictional force between the block and the surface does negative work which decreases the kinetic energy. So, we can write here work done by friction will be equal to change in kinetic energy Change in kinetic energy means final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. So we can write here final minus initial as initially the block was at rest, so initial kinetic energy will be 0 and final kinetic energy, mass is given in question 5 kilogram and V is 5 into 5, initial kinetic energy will be 0. So by solving this, we get 125 by 2 joule. Now the next question number 5. Question number 5 is, if the linear momentum of a body is increased by 50%, then kinetic energy of that body will increase by option A is 50%, B is 100%, C is 125% and D is 25%. The solution is, initially let the linear momentum of body is P P initial, let this is P, and as given in question, the linear momentum of body is increased by 50%. So the final momentum become 50% P plus 50% of P. So it become 3 by 2 P. Now as we know, kinetic energy is given by P square by 2 m. Since m is constant, the body is same, so we can write here kinetic energy is proportional to P square. Since m is constant, okay, so and this is the initial kinetic energy, and the final kinetic energy we can write here, it is proportional to Pf square. So kinetic energy, final kinetic energy is proportional to 3 by 2 P whole square, and by solving this we can write also here kinetic energy final is directly proportional to 9 by 4 P square. Suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation number 2. Now dividing equation number 2 by equation number 1, we get kinetic energy final upon kinetic energy initial is proportional to 9 by 4. By subtracting both the sides by 1, we get kinetic energy final upon kinetic energy initial minus 1 equals to 9 by 4 minus 1. By solving this we get change in kinetic energy, means kinetic energy final minus kinetic energy initial upon kinetic energy initial will be, by taking here LCM, 9 minus 4, we get 5 by 4. So the percentage change in kinetic energy will be into 100 equals to 5 by 4 into 100, which will be 125%. So here the option C will be right.